Can you be still for 60 seconds? Let the body settle. Let the breath slow. Watch how the silence rises. And not as emptiness, but as a presence that holds you. Stillness is where your power lives.